My name's Barry Leahay and I'm Managing Director at Playdale Playgrounds. Playdale are based in South Cumbria in the UK, where we design, manufacture and install outdoor children's playgrounds.
We knew 3D site scanners were the solution to our problem. What we didn't know is how to move and use that information through our design process. My name is Martin Bland. I'm Playdale's Technical Manager and I oversee Playdale's design and engineering. We spend many hours measuring play areas. It is prone to errors and mismeasurement.
My name's Greg Saul. I worked for Playdale as part of the Digital Catalyst scheme. The Digital Catalyst scheme is a scheme for students who get placed for a 2-week period within a company to help them overcome any technical challenges or issues which they may be facing.
On learning more about the Digital Catalyst programme, we were extremely confident that they would be able to achieve one of the digital transformation projects we were looking to embed into the business.
The workflow involves bringing in the 3D scan data through a range of Autodesk products and ultimately bringing it into AutoCAD for the playground design process.
With the use of the 3D scanners, measuring large play areas could take 10-15 minutes.
The main hope for this project is to modernise the design process for Playdale.
His knowledge of digital technologies exceeds ours.
The successful implementation of the project will give us a 30% uplift in our design productivity, which in turn will give us a 6-figure saving over the next few years.
I'd really recommend the Digital Catalyst scheme to any other students. It's great to build your confidence and experience within a design and manufacturing workplace.
The Digital Catalyst programme allows us to tap into some of the best talent from UK universities.
Thanks to Greg and the Digital Catalyst programme, the use of 3D scan technology is now an integral part of our playground design process, and it won't be long until we're throwing away our tape measures.